A destroyed Russian Mi-8 helicopter was recovered in the Kharkiv region. Welcome back to another episode of Military Tek. In early March, Ukrainian troops shot down a Russian Mi-8 helicopter that had deployed in search of the fallen Su-25 pilot. The helicopter, identified by the Latin letter Z, was discovered entirely damaged on the field. The exact date of the helicopter destruction is unknown. The helicopter was most likely damaged during combat and forced to land. For unknown reasons, the helicopter was later destroyed in the field. The Mi-8 multi-purpose helicopter was built in the 1960s by the Soviet Union. This two-engine helicopter is one of the most extensively produced helicopters in the world. The maiden flight of the Mi-8 took place in 1961. It can accommodate a three-person crew, a pilot, a co-pilot, and a flight engineer, as well as 25 non-crew members, or 12 stretchers. It is propelled by two turboshaft engines. Its range is 500 kilometers. Its NATO reporting name is called the HIP. Its main role is a transport helicopter. We end here and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.